So I wanted to do a quick video. I've been getting a little bit of slack on something that's beyond my control, rightfully so, especially across my other platforms, Instagram, about this side yard here. This is the Boulevard, and a little backstory about this Boulevard is when we first moved here, this boulevard was told to me that it will be controlled by the HOA. So I know a lot of people say to me, how can you have a yard that looks like this in a boulevard that looks like this? Well, that's a good question. So the boulevard was supposed to be controlled by the HOA. When we first got this house, this is what they told us. They told us just maintain your yard and you will control, and we will control the boulevard. So another thing is about this boulevard is it didn't even look this is bad, but before, as you can see in this video, it looked way worse than it looks now. And that's because before the HOA completely neglected it, they started off nice. It started off really, really well. There was cutting, there was mowing, they was doing everything possible to keep up the look of the boulevard. But then they stopped. And it started to look completely horrible. You can see all of the things that goes here. So anyway, so I took over, and last year I took over, and as you can see from the video, the picture I should say, it looked quite well. I mean, I know that's a picture of the corner of it, but I took over. I aerated it, I overseeded it, I detached it, I did whatever you could think of that would make this look good. Because I said to myself, I'm a good guy. I can transform this. I know a lot about grass. Let me do that. And as soon as the HOA saw that I was making improvement, I got a letter this year that stated to lay off. Now here's the thing. The HOA also controls this back area back here. And as you can see, it's been cut, but the overall quality of it is being neglected. It's being completely neglected as far as the upkeep. And this is one of the things that you go through when you are in an HOA community. Not all HOAs, but some HOAs. And they feel like they know better than you. So like I said before, I wanted to do a video on how, look at all of this, just look at all of that. I wanted to do a video on why that particular area is being neglected. And I know I've gotten a lot of DMs, particularly on Instagram, on why this yard, this boulevard yard looked the way it looks. And the point of this video is I am going to take over it again. I'm going to bring you guys along with me. We're going to transform this. Now, it's late in the season, so there's not a lot I can particularly do with this boulevard to make it look extremely well, especially when you have a yard that looks like this. This is my yard. This is the backyard. It looks amazing, as I might say so myself. Now, it is very early in the morning. It's around 7:45. There's dew still on the ground, but it looks amazing. And we're gonna get back to this yard to make it looking even better than it did, or as it is right now. So there's a lot of things that's going on with the yard. There's a lot of things that I cannot get done this season, but the goal is to do it all over again, because like I always say, your yard is an extension of your house, and I don't want my neighbors to continue to see this every day. Look at this. So I am going to have to transform this to semi-perfection. Again, it's late in the season and I can't do too much to it, but we're gonna definitely take over it again, overstep the HOA, and transform this to get it to looking almost as good as this. Alright guys, so this was a quick video to give you guys an update on why this looked the way it is and the backstory about all of that. And please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and if you can, please watch it to the end. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Let's get to transforming this boulevard.